Hi, vanakkam and welcome to Yashwant's Kitchen. I am your Yashwant. The most simplest yet great tasting and refreshing drink from Yashwant's Kitchen is lemon and mint cooler. Before we move on to the recipe, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell to get regular updates from Yashwant's Kitchen. Let's start. To make lemon mint cooler, I have mint leaf, lemon and palm sugar. Plug the mint leaves. Cut the lemon and extract the juice. Take the blender, add mint leaves, lemon juice, palm sugar and a glass of water. Blend it well. Take a serving glass, pour the juice into it. And garnish it with sliced lemon. Ice is optional. If you prefer ice, reduce the water quantity into half and replace it with ice cubes. I am going to taste it. The aroma of mint, sweet and sour taste of sugar and lemon together gives a refreshing feel. I am sure you will love it. I hope you enjoyed my lemon and mint cooler. Please subscribe my channel if you liked my video. We'll meet you with an interesting recipe again. Until then, bye from Yashwant.